What if I told you there are SUVs out there that can easily last over 300,000 miles without breaking the bank on repairs? Sounds unbelievable, right? But it's true. While most cars start giving you headaches after a few years, some SUVs are built like tanks, so reliable that owners hang on to them for decades. Today, we're counting down the 10 most reliable SUVs you'll want to keep forever. These vehicles aren't just about fancy looks or features. They're about trust, durability, and peace of mind. And let me tell you, number one on this list is a legend in the automotive world. If you're thinking about buying an SUV that'll stand the test of time, you don't want to miss it. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell because we bring you the most eye-opening car content you won't find anywhere else. Number 10. Toyota RAV4. Starting our list is the Toyota RAV4, one of the world's best-selling SUVs. Why? Because it's reliable to its core. Owners often report hitting 200,000 miles with nothing more than regular maintenance. Toyota built the RAV4 to be practical, fuel-efficient, and dependable. It's not flashy, but when you're looking for a vehicle you can trust every single day, year after year, this SUV delivers. And that's why so many families never want to let it go. Number 9. Honda CR-V. Next up, the Honda CR-V, a model that has consistently been praised for bulletproof reliability. The CR-V combines comfort, efficiency, and long-lasting build quality. Many owners say their CR-Vs keep running strong after 250,000 miles. It may not be the biggest SUV on the market, but it has proven time and time again that it can handle whatever life throws at it. Honda's engineering makes this SUV a long-term companion you'll never regret investing in. Number 8. Lexus RX. Luxury and reliability don't always go hand in hand, but the Lexus RX is the exception. This SUV blends premium comfort with Toyota's legendary durability. Unlike other luxury vehicles that become money pits after a few years, the RX just keeps going. Owners love it for its smooth ride, minimal repairs, and lasting value. It's the kind of SUV you buy once and keep for a decade or more without worry. That's why it's consistently one of the top choices in the luxury SUV market. Number 7. Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback has built a loyal fan base thanks to its rugged reliability and all-wheel drive system. Whether you're driving through snow, dirt roads, or highways, the Outback just doesn't quit. It's not uncommon to find Outbacks that have easily crossed the 250,000-mile mark. Subaru's engineering focuses on practicality and endurance, making it a go-to SUV for adventurers who want something they can keep for the long haul. Number 6. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner is practically a legend when it comes to long-term durability. Built on a truck platform, it's as tough as they come. Owners regularly report these SUVs lasting 300,000 miles or more. It's not the most modern or fuel-efficient SUV, but it doesn't need to be. The 4Runner is all about strength, reliability, and the kind of dependability you can count on for decades. If you want an SUV that'll outlast almost everything else on the road, this is it. Number 5. Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot is another family favorite, known for its spacious interior and dependable engine. While some SUVs struggle with long-term maintenance, the Pilot consistently proves itself as a reliable choice. With proper care, these SUVs can easily pass 200,000 miles, making them one of the most trusted family haulers around. Add Honda's reputation for reliability, and it's clear why so many people keep their Pilots for years. Number 4. Lexus GX. Here's another luxury SUV that deserves a spot: the Lexus GX. Unlike many luxury SUVs that fall apart with age, the GX is built on a rugged Toyota Land Cruiser Prado platform. That means it's not just luxurious, it's durable. Many GX models are still running smoothly after 250,000 miles, making it one of the rare luxury SUVs that combines elegance with long-term reliability. If you want comfort and toughness in one package, this is the SUV to keep forever. Number 3. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester is one of those SUVs that feels like it can survive anything. Known for its safety, practicality, and all-wheel drive system, it's a favorite for drivers in areas with harsh weather conditions. But the real standout feature is its reliability. Foresters are known to go well past 200,000 miles without major issues. It's an SUV you buy knowing it'll be part of your life for a very long time. Number 2. Toyota Land Cruiser. This one's a global icon. The Toyota Land Cruiser has been dominating rough terrains for decades, and its reliability is second to none. In fact, in many parts of the world, Land Cruisers are used as military, rescue, and exploration vehicles because they simply don't die. Owners have reported driving their Land Cruisers beyond 400,000 miles. Yes, you heard that right. It's a vehicle designed to last not just years, but generations. It's big, it's tough, and it's built to outlive almost anything else on the road. Number 1. Toyota Highlander. Taking the number 1 spot is the Toyota Highlander, a perfect blend of practicality, comfort, and legendary Toyota reliability. The Highlander has proven itself over and over again as one of the most durable mid-size SUVs on the market. Owners routinely keep these SUVs for 15 to 20 years, with many examples easily passing 300,000 miles. It's the ultimate family SUV that delivers safety, dependability, and peace of mind, qualities that make it nearly impossible to part with. That's why the Highlander earns the crown as the SUV so reliable, you'll want to keep it forever. And there you have it, minus 10 SUVs so reliable, you'll want to keep them forever. From the everyday practicality of the Honda CR-V to the unstoppable Toyota Land Cruiser, these SUVs prove that reliability is priceless. So tell me, which one of these SUVs would you love to own? And do you already drive one of them? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences. If you enjoyed this countdown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next deep dive into the automotive world. Because at the end of the day, cars may come and go, but a truly reliable SUV, that's something worth keeping forever.